Good day, everyone. If you have used SOLIDWORKS before, then you have probably seen this error message at some point. The error message being on the screen, which is unable to locate the file. Would you like to browse for the file yourself? And you have two options: browse for the file or suppress this component. In this video, let's take a look at what happened for this error message to come up. It is a very brief video. Here's a SOLIDWORKS search routine. A link will be provided below the video for you to click on and read through this more in depth if you would like. This video is meant just to have a quick brief overview of the 8 rules and what happened for that error message to come up to begin with. You'll notice on my screen that currently you'll see 5 rules, which mentions opens any document with the same name, reference documents, searches the path of the active document. This, for example, would be if you have an assembly opened up, it's going to look in the same folder where the assembly is saved, and then after it will search for where that specific component, for example, that part which we saw is missing, was last saved. And then it moves on to, again, step number 4, which is last open document, and where the document is last saved. And then as we go further and further down, you'll then notice how it'll search the full path without a drive designation and with a drive designation. So as you can see from the error message, which was on my screen previously, I had avoided all those rules. So what did I do to cause this? Well, I did 2 things. One, I closed out of SOLIDWORKS and I renamed the component. This was the first thing I did. Now, the next thing I did was I actually moved the component into a new folder. By doing these 2 things, SOLIDWORKS was now unable to search for that document. And the reason why is SOLIDWORKS was not open at the time with that assembly. And I did not use SOLIDWORKS Explorer or SOLIDWORKS PDM to update the references correctly so it would be able to find the file. I hope this video helps, and if you have any more questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and then I'll be sure to respond to you.